All I know is running to that money, yeah, I'm chasing green. Trying to keep up with you, but I know you wouldn't wait for me. Thought that you would always be.
What's going on, Dope Reaction fam? You got your boy Gatman here, and today we got a very special guest.
Hey, it's Cocoaa the Brad.
And we doing a reaction video to some thievery. You know, we all love a little thievery. I don't know if this is good thievery, bad thievery, but it's definitely some entertaining thievery, and I'm not going to spoil it, we're just going to jump right into it. He's got a box on his head, lock the store. Shiesty season is over, I'm guessing.
Here in the video shared by Manny Garden's business owner shows a thief stealing phones while covering his head up with a card.
Shiesty season's over. We're not rocking the shiesties no more. We rock boxes on the head, you feel me? Straight cardboard.
Like, and it's leaning.
What he used to break the glass with?
His hand.
Nah, no way. He had to use like a screwdriver or something. Like, yeah, he had something.
Oh, yeah.
Not that stupid.
Yeah.
Pretty bizarre scene here in the video shared by Manny Garden's business owner shows a thief stealing phones while covering his head up with a cardboard box.
Box?
That's right.
Like, is that creative?
And
or
then,
is that, yeah. Like,
you shouldn't even put it on. Could you just...
But is that creative? Like, is that ingenuity? Like, oh, I'm not gonna let me put this box up. Like, do he get points for that? And then he took it off.
Yeah, so there's no point even having it on.
Oh, man, I didn't even see. Oh, he took
The video captured the robbery around 4 Saturday morning.
Crazy.
It happened at Eye Repair Tech, which is located on Northwest 183rd Street. At one point, the clumsy culprit even dropped his disguise.
The
owner tells us the thief took 19 iPhones and $8,000 in cash, doing a total of $15,000 in damage. The suspect was later spotted in the area around 5:30 Saturday afternoon and arrested.
As he should have been.
We can see your whole face.
Like, buddy. Who, like, he too old. He don't look young. He too old to have been thinking that was a good idea. Like, I know that's not his. That couldn't have been his first robbery. Like, there's no way you said I'm gonna put this box and hit this. No.
With the all black on with the gloves.
So close. You got the gloves. You so close. Like, if you just would have had the shiesty, like, you would have been like, what happened, buddy? Damn, he in jail. He must have wanted to go to jail. He wanted to go. Like, he got tired of being on the streets. Like, damn.
Like a box. Like, be for real.
For real. Like, he could have done anything. Like, I don't even know. Anything's better. I don't even know. Like, this nigga could have at least cut eye holes and like at least cut the eye holes in the box. Like,
but like a box. It's so loose. Like,
I mean, he probably didn't have the money to go buy the shiesty, so maybe that's why he was trying to, you feel me? I don't know.
I mean, he was better off putting a hood
on, right?
Tying the strings, like.
Like, you feel me? Like,
yeah, like.
Can't see nothing, right? Like, you can't even see, you can only see the nose. Like, so who knows who did it? But, like, shit, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Is this man a fool? Does he get points for any like, does he get points at all?
No.
But, like, yeah, tune in for the next one. And make sure y'all thank my guests for appearing, because, you know, nobody has to do that. And, we got some more content for y'all coming soon.
See y'all later.